Here's Themco app aesthetic theme maker board of your usual home screen. Discover new inspirations for customizing your home screen. Themco gives you a wide range of tools to express yourself. With our app, you can enjoy state-of-the-art content and unleash your creativity. Share your creativity and impress everyone. So there is Theme Maker, all-in-one theme templates, widgets, unlimited access subscription. So custom app icons, thousands of themes, aesthetic themes, stylish widgets, icon setup. So yeah, here you just have it, and then you just have double click to install it. So one of those apps which you can use, pretty nice average rating, 4.8 out of 5. So what you're interested in, and then there is $7 per week. So this is a normal price. $20 per year. This is quite a low price for this kind of app. And then you have themes and widgets which you have here, which you can set up. And then yeah, you can just swipe left or right to change themes. Are popular, minimalist, neon, trending, cute. Then you can create home screen templates, you can create photo collages, you can create story templates. And then there are widgets which you can also search in here. Some of them are premium, some of them are paid. So yeah, then you have settings. And that's the idea of the app. So very minimalist app. I guess, to be honest, for $20 per year, there are apps which have much bigger library, just to be honest, like Themilia and some other apps. But this is, if you like, just use this.